So I'm a company, I realize that I have to go through leasing, I've got revenue recognition change. Is there a benefit to sort of co-adopting or thinking through a project plan simultaneously and doing these at the same time?
I would say yes, particularly for companies where you're either heavily doing sale leaseback transactions because there is an interaction between revenue and the leasing standard, as well as companies that both sell and lease their assets. You could definitely find some benefits to adopting at the same time. Again, the leasing standard many times refers to the revenue recognition standard, so if you don't adopt them simultaneously, then you're going to have this bit of lag between kind of concurrently applying current standards while another standard may be effective. In a somewhat kind of unprecedented move, the FASB did allow companies to adopt the leasing standard as early as when the standard was issued. So when it was issued in February, and so companies could have adopted then. We don't expect that to necessarily happen, but I think the FASB's rationale was allowing them to early adopt along with the revenue recognition standard may provide companies with some efficiencies around adopting two rather large gap changes at the same time. So what we expect companies to do over the course of the next year is really evaluate what is their project plan for the revenue recognition, and layer on top of that what is a reasonable project plan for leasing, evaluating their resources, and then thinking about whether there's efficiencies and benefits to adopting the standard at the same time.